Okay, so that was the latest update coming in. Let me go across to the Sachin Pilot residence where Shantashri is reporting live this afternoon. Shantashri, where is Sachin Pilot? He's been summoned. Will he respond to the summons? Will he go and get questioned, present himself for questioning by the Special Operations Group, which is under the police in Rajasthan?
Yes, definitely. Sachin Pilot has received that summon from SOG and as well as ACB along with other MLAs and also independent MLAs and definitely CM of Rajasthan himself. Now, while many are seeing this as a move to arm twist Sachin Pilot and the support of the MLAs, if we talk about Sachin Pilot's whereabouts, it's not yet known because we are standing since morning outside his residence. We have seen his security guards, his mother and also his brother coming out of this residence and moving to various locations, but no trace of Sachin Pilot yet. If he has to prove the show of strength, which he is willing to prove because he just met Ahmed Patel as well, and he is in talking terms with Congress senior leadership continuously with KC Venugopal as well as Ahmed Patel, and also he wants to meet Sonia Gandhi on the other hand, showing this show of strength, showing that how deserving he is, how he has the support of many people out there in Rajasthan, and how the leadership in Rajasthan is basically, it's been completely been divided between two camps, and that's why Sachin Pilot deserves to be more powerful. If that is where the narratives is going ahead, then definitely we believe in next few hours, we believe Sachin Pilot will end up showing his show of strength along with his MLS support. If that is not happening, then definitely a summon from ACB is something he has to tend to, and as party members are expecting the Sachin Pilot might move to Jaipur anytime soon. So that remains to be seen what exactly transpires from here on. But yes, Ashok Gehlot camp is definitely keeping a close tab on Sachin Pilot and the MLAs. There are reports coming in that they are trying to tap the phone via the authorities in Rajasthan of MLA's phone actually, where they are being holed up in the Manesar hotel, and also via security guards. Lots of questions are being asked. Ashok Gehlot is continuously in touch with his ministers. There was a secret meeting that was held yesterday night as well, and of course Ashok Gehlot camp is completely rattled. On the other hand, it remains to be seen that what are the dices that are going to be played out from the Sachin Pilot's camp from now on. But if currently the situation has to be shown, then we can tell you that 20 to 22 MLAs are confirmed to be in the hotel. They are standing in support of Sachin Pilot, but Sachin Pilot is nowhere to be seen right now. In few hours from now, we will see what exactly transpires. Yes.
Joining us live, and let me go across to Amardeep as he joins us with the details. I think he's getting a response. Let's cut across live. He's fed that.
जी बिल्कुल, मैं आपको बता दूं अभी रामलाल जाट जो कि विधायक थे, रामलाल जाट जो कि विधायक थे, उनसे बातचीत हो रही थी। उन्होंने कहा कि बिल्कुल कोई डरने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। प्रदेश अध्यक्ष हैं, प्रदेश अध्यक्ष के साथ में एमएलए होते हैं जो चले जाते हैं। दोनों राज्यसभा चुनाव में साथ में थे, अशोक गहलोत हो चाहे सचिन पायलट हो। लेकिन अहम सवाल है कि जब रमेश मीणा का उन्होंने चर्चा की, सूत्रों के हवाले से खबर है कि रमेश मीणा जो कि सूबे में मंत्री हैं, सचिन पायलट के खास माने जाते हैं, उन्होंने कहा है कि इस तरीके से डायलॉग नहीं होता, इस तरीके की बातें नहीं होती कि जब मेरा जाँच में कोई नाम नहीं है, मेरा लेना देना किसी एमएलए से नहीं है, तो मुझे नोटिस क्यों भिजवाया गया। यानी कि रमेश मीणा को भी नोटिस भिजवाया गया है। सूत्र हमारे ये कहते हैं, हमारे जो इनपुट्स हैं कांग्रेस के, वो ये कहते हैं कि कहीं ना कहीं नाराज़गी दिखाई, और नाराज़गी कब बागी बन जाए, वो कब कांग्रेस से छिटक जाए, क्योंकि जिस तरीके का लहजा उनका है, जिस तरीके की बात वो कर रहे हैं और जिस तरीके से वो सचिन पायलट के साथ में है, तो लगता यही है कि अभी कुछ भी हो सकता है। और फिलहाल अमीन कागजी खुद इसको एडमिट करके गए थे कि हाँ, 20 से 22 विधायक जो है वो गुड़गांव में सचिन पायलट के साथ में है, सचिन पायलट के देखरेख में है। अब वो आला कमान से मिलने गए हैं, ये जरूर उन्होंने बीच में ऐड किया कि वो आला कमान से मिलने गए हैं, उनकी कोई नाराज़गी होगी, लेकिन कांग्रेस में ऐसा कुछ है नहीं। लेकिन जो चल रहा है उन सबके पीछे बीजेपी है।